Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and this one's for all my late shoppers out there. It is not too late to find good deals on tech on Amazon, and I'm going to show you how using an app called Keepa. So let's finally get that Christmas shopping done and checked off our list. All right, to start off, you want to download this extension on Google Chrome called Keepa. It's an Amazon price tracker, and it is really good. I'm going to show you how it works in a second. So here's an example of something that looks like a pretty good deal, but not as good as they're making it sound. So if you scroll down, when you download Keepa, it actually lets you see the price history or in the web browser. So you don't have to go to a different browser for this one. And it has a bunch of criteria here on the right. I like to check new and used. I mean, we can really just do new if you don't want to do used. And you can see the whole history of the price. You can go back as far as you want, but you can see around Black Friday, we had a good little price drop here, about $10. And that price has shot right back up to what it's originally been for the past few months. And you also see on here, you see what the lowest this product has been, $29.25, and then the highest, $65. So this is like right in that middle range. This is not that good of a deal. So here's another example of not so great of a deal. This is pretty much full price. There's no deals going on. And you can see the full price history. If you go down here, go to a year, you'll see that this drops pretty consistently through the year in price, especially around Black Friday, right here. And it is shot back up to almost like the highest price. So I would not get this. I would wait for a deal on this one. As we can see, it has deals a decent amount through the year. So let's get into the good deals we can find now after Black Friday. Here's an example. I'm gonna just click new. This is the 3-month. Let's do a year. We see that at the beginning of this year, it started out as $42 or $43, and it is now currently $23. I mean, these aren't going to be the highest quality speakers, but this is the lowest price. Even this is basically the Black Friday price. And if you're looking for just some budget speakers that look cool, Red Dragon is a decent company. We use them for stuff like keyboards. This might be a good option. Like, this will pretty much probably do what you want without sounding like super high quality. This is a pretty good deal right here for $23. Can't really complain. All right, here's another good deal on a triple monitor. This is more niche, but I know it's pretty popular for gamers to want more monitors. More monitors equal more fun. So if we go down here, we see at the beginning of this year, it was kind of steady around 100 at 109. You would get price drops pretty consistently, so it's not uncommon for a price drop. And then it spiked out about spring, keep getting consistent price drops. So we are currently in another price drop where this would be a pretty good deal overall. If you want to get this before it goes up in price again, it looks like it'll probably go up. My guess would be like January, it'll come back up. So yeah, this might be a good one. If you're in the market for a triple monitor, this could be a good deal. And looking for a good price on desks, because desks can be expensive. You already bought the gaming PC. You've already spent a decent amount of money, and now you're looking for good deals, but Black Friday's over. It looks like this one's a pretty new listing, only has a 35-day history. So if we just go to the month, it's stayed steady around the 110 mark. It did a spike up, and now it's on a downtrend to 87, 88. This is actually a pretty good deal. This looks like pretty high quality. It's got the wood. I mean, this looks pretty good for $88. Can't really complain. Here's a fun little gaming accessory that I think would be great as a gift or for yourself. I mean, I would like something like this, holding controllers and a headphone. I have not really seen this. I've usually seen one or the other. And for $15, and it looks like this product is no stranger to deals, but right now it is currently the lowest price. It's been this price a couple times, but if you want to catch it before it goes up again, this is a pretty cool one. Now, here's a product that would probably have gotten me if I didn't have Keepa installed. This looks like a pretty good deal. I mean, I usually like to look for the cheaper stuff. I don't usually like to use headphones that much, so anything that I could just talk with friends when I game would work for me. So I might have actually bought this one, but if you scroll down, you see that this is actually pretty much the highest price it's been in the past 3 months. It dropped down like a couple dollars, but if we go down to a year, this is basically the highest price it's been all year. So I would wait on this one, and it's probably not that good of a headset anyway. So I wouldn't want to get ripped off, because you could probably get this a lot cheaper. $22 is probably really what it should be worth, but it does work for PlayStation and stuff like that. So this would be something that I would want if it was cheaper. And for the last one, I found this cool RGB mouse mat that also also works as a phone charger. And I found this about a week ago planning for this video, and I am just so surprised how fast the price goes up. So this is no longer a good deal. It is just like skyrocketing price, which makes this Keepa app even more useful to find those good deals quickly before the prices go up. So I found it when it was about here, around like December 1st, and it's already like skyrocketed in price. I would never spend that much for this, but because it's Amazon, there's more products like it, and this deal looks a little bit better. You're spending about 10 extra bucks for what looks to be almost the same thing. Definitely download this and look when you're finding deals, because it is crazy how fast these prices just jump. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this shows how important it is to download something like Keepa to make sure you're getting a good deal on websites like Amazon, because as you can see, prices change, and for most consumers, they don't know. This still looks like a decent deal, but you gotta always be checking these prices. And if you're late to those Black Friday deals, it's still possible to find some good deals if you dig around through stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, share it with another late shopper that still needs to get Christmas shopping done this year and missed all those Black Friday deals. Tell them that there's still hope.